chooks, and then got to make sure that they are still in the paddock. Morning, chooks. You've got to be kidding me. Every chicken's dead. I think a fox got in last night. There's a hole, and there's feathers. We hatched all those chickens. Just before Christmas, we got some eggs from our rooster and our hens. We incubated them. They hatched on the 13th of December. They were only just released into that coop with the other chickens. Now a fox got them. Okay. Can anybody see the cows? I don't see them. Okay, we've got two. There's Angus. There's Fergus.